Everyone loves a pizza, and I found a mix that delivers a crispy base with a truly authentic flavour. Just take a look at this tasty pizza. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame. Now, I came across this kit on the supermarket shelf and wondered why Jamie Oliver had put his name to it, when he does some brilliant videos on YouTube showing you exactly how it's done. So why did I choose to try this pack? Well, experts will tell you to get an authentic pizza base you need Tipo 00 flour, which is a very fine Italian flour. Well, to get my hands on this stuff, I'd got to buy a shed load. And as much as I like pizza, we don't eat that much of it. Well, this pack makes one pizza base with Tipo 00 flour. In the box is a sachet of dough mix and a sachet of semolina. On the box are clear instructions on how to mix, just adding 100 ml of warm water and a half a tablespoon of olive oil. But if you have one of these, then this method is easier and a bit quicker. With the dough blade in place, just add the contents of the mixed sachet. To 100 ml of warm water, add a half a tablespoon of olive oil. Give a couple of pulses to distribute the mix. With the machine running, add the warm water and olive oil. When the dough forms a ball, stop the machine and let it rest for 2 minutes. While it's resting, lightly coat a large bowl with oil. Then run once more for 1 minute to knead the dough. Remove the blade and transfer the dough to the oiled bowl, making it into a nice smooth ball. Cover the bowl and leave it in a warm place. The instructions say for half an hour. Better if it can be left for an hour. Dust a clean surface with half of the semolina. Uncover and remove the dough from the bowl. Knock out the air with your fists. Now roll out the dough into a disc of about 28 centimeters. As my pizza peel is not large enough, this one is going to be a little smaller and a little thicker. Liberally sprinkle semolina onto the pizza peel and slide it under the dough. To top the pizza, we start with tomato sauce, spreading it generally to within a half an inch of the edge. Sprinkle with grated cheese. I'm using ready grated mozzarella and some more mozzarella torn from a ball. And it's onto the hot pizza stone on my Weber Q for about 10 minutes. While it's cooking, I'd just like to say I've got some great videos coming up which you won't want to miss. So all you have to do is sub my channel. Simply click the button, activate and ding the bell, and you won't be disappointed. Oh, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now let's see how that pizza's doing. Well, don't that just look good? To add the finishing touches,
a grind of black pepper, a scattering of torn basil, and a nice leaf for the centre. That's my version of a simple rustic pizza, which is bursting with flavour, made from a Jamie Oliver mix.
I have to say that was 100% authentic flavour. And just to get your mouth watering, here's another look. Well, that's all for now. So it's goodbye from me, the dude with the food, the old geezer at the grill, and thanks for watching.